What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about Mara stock. We're going to go in depth about what Mara does, and we're also going to look at some numbers on Mara's sales and how they make money. We're also going to talk about some big news that's coming from Mara too that I haven't heard many people talking about. Now, let's break down what Mara is and what they do. So, Marathon Digital provides the computing power needed to mine Bitcoins. So, pretty much Bitcoin mining is where you're processing or validating transactions so that you can mine the Bitcoin and gain Bitcoin. In that case, then the company can get that Bitcoin to generate revenue by selling the Bitcoin or staking the Bitcoin and loaning it out for more revenue. Mara tends to buy also Bitcoin and hold on to Bitcoin because they know the value of Bitcoin and they know where cryptocurrency is going. Now, the thing I think that's crazy about Mara is that their Bitcoin production shot up to 102.3 Bitcoins from 43.4 Bitcoin in February and 50 Bitcoin in January. The company had 5,134 Bitcoin on the books as of March 31st. That is a lot of Bitcoin. Now, the thing about Mara that I love is they believe in Bitcoin so heavy. They also bought 4,812 Bitcoin in January for a total value of roughly $305 million. The crazy thing about this company is they're betting so heavy on Bitcoin that Bitcoin is the future and that Bitcoin will be worth a tremendous amount of money in the near future. And we see a lot of people talking about that because we know where cryptocurrency going and that it's the future. And Mara is betting big on that. The higher Bitcoin goes, the more money Mara will make. Now, Mara also plans to increase machine installations over the next several months. They keep throwing more of their profits back into the business, which I love. And they have a delivery of 75,000 miners by the end of this year with an additional 15,000 in January 2022. Mara is just trying to expand and expand because they know that mining Bitcoin is going to make them a lot of money. Now, with this mining capacity, it expects to produce 55 to 60 Bitcoin a day. Now, imagine when Bitcoin is $100,000. You know how much money this company will be making per day doing what they're doing, holding Bitcoin, not only as an asset, but also mining it? Now, for the big news, I think that nobody's talking about is how Mara is now going to be included into the Russell 2000 index, which remains in place for 1 year. This is huge for Mara because it'll build traction and have more people open their eyes to Mara and the capabilities that this stock has once Bitcoin has its big run and the potential that this company has staking and having all this Bitcoin. They pretty much have a gold mine with these miners that are just constantly mining them Bitcoin. And as long as this Bitcoin holds value, which I am almost 100% positive it will, then Mara will be very, very successful. The CEO goes on to say, being added to the Russell 2000 index demonstrates the immense progress we have made transforming Marathon over the past year. We expect our inclusion in the index to increase our visibility within the greater investment community, which will benefit both new and existing shareholders as we continue to build Mara into one of the largest and most environmental conscientious Bitcoin miners in North America. Now, the huge thing I love in the takeaway from that is how they say environmental, because they want to deal with clean energy and making Bitcoin have a better rep than Elon Musk and other people have made it have in the past. Mara's really doing everything they can to be a huge competitor in this market, and people are sleeping on the stock and don't see the value this stock really has. So that being said, let's dive into the stock analysis. Now, this is going to be short and sweet, but we know that Bitcoin, when it was $60,000, Mara was trading in the between $50 and $60, which is pretty insane. Now we saw Mara cool off tremendously. Just saw like how we saw Bitcoin cool off tremendously. But that's normal in crypto to see a 30 to 40% correction on Bitcoin in some of these huge volatile coins. Now the same is going to happen with the stock because again, Mara relies on the price of Bitcoin because that's what their whole company structure is about, making money through mining Bitcoin and staking Bitcoin. So 100% Mara correlates with Bitcoin. So as we see the rise of value in Bitcoin, and once people start taking on the crypto trends and realizing the potential cryptocurrency has, we'll see Mara take off. So bottom of the line, if you believe in Bitcoin and what it stands for and what it's doing, if you believe the price is going to go astronomical, then believe Mara is going to be right behind it doing the same thing. Just remember when Bitcoin was $60,000, Mara was trading at $60. Keep that in mind because when Bitcoin takes a huge rally, we're going to the moon. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Your guys' support means the world and it helps me to keep doing these videos. If you guys like them, I will keep posting them. Other than that, I'm out, guys. Peace.